In this video, we'll show you how to get around on your Pixel phone. First, unlock your phone to get to your home screen. To find all your apps, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. To open an app, tap it. To switch to a previous app, swipe right along the bottom edge of the screen. To go back to the first app, swipe left along the bottom of the screen. To go back to your home screen, swipe up. To check with apps you have open, touch and hold the bottom of your screen and swipe up slightly. When you feel a vibration, let go. You can swipe from left to right to check which apps are open. To close an app, swipe up on the app. To close all your apps, swipe from left to right until you get all the way to the left. Then tap Clear All. Now you know how to get around on your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.